Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a nail pedicure. This is a different one from the ones that you are always used to. So that is the before and the after, and this is after cleaning the nails and removing the cuticles and the dead skin. So welcome back, and make sure that you subscribe, you like, you comment, engage in the comment section. So the first thing first, I'm removing my gel polish. I'm using drill because I think it is faster. At the same time it is not on the nail. Then after that, these are the equipment that I'm using. So I've just wiped the dirt from the nails, and then I'm going to apply cuticle gel. That is what I'm putting on the hand. Then after that, I'm going to just apply it on my nail. So if you are an OG here, if you have been watching my videos, you know the cuticle gel enhances in the softening of the cuticles and the dead skin allowed the nail. So you can buy it, you can use it. It's very easy to use. You just need to apply on your nails. Then after that, you can dip your nails on warm water, or you can just decide to work on the nails just like they are. Just ensure that they don't dry up. Then after that, we have our cuticle pusher. That is what we are going to remove the cuticles with and the dead skin, and it's very easy to use it. By the way, you just need to hold it well so that you don't harm yourself. And a cuticle pusher is not like a cuticle cutter, because all cuticle remover, because cuticle pusher is just easy. You just need to push the skin allowed your nails. But for me, I normally use it even to clean up the nails, inside the nails, like the dirt inside the nails, like you can see me doing. So as time goes by, as you use it, you are going to become a pro, and you're going to know how to maneuver about it. Then I have my cuticle remover just to remove the cuticles. And guys, this is a sharp object, and therefore you have to be very keen with it while you're using it. Yeah, so at this point, for me, it's very easy because of the cuticle gel, because it has softened that area and the skin around that area. So please try and not work on those nails when they are dry, like very, very dry, because it can lead to you harming yourself or injuring yourself. So guys, please ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. For those of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate. And girls, it's 2025, and that means we need our toes to look good, our feet to look good, our faces to look good. Everything should be looking good, and you should be taking care of yourself. Actually, this is one way in which you can be able to deal with your mental health, because while you're working on those nails, like, it's a quiet environment, you're just listening to your thoughts, or maybe to soft music. Yeah, like you're pouring on your cup, and it's so good for your mental health, and just something to fall in love with yourself. Just knowing how to pamper yourself, it just feels so good. You can do this once a month, you can do it every other week, you can do it the way you decide to do it. Just have that skill that you can be able to work on your nails, like you can be able to take care of yourself. As you take care of those skincare routine, I normally do them by the very much. I think I should start posting videos on the same. As you do those self-care routine, the skincare routine, please don't forget about your nails, and especially your toenails and your feet. Please don't by them. And it's very easy to do them, and as you continue to do them day in day out, that's how you become a pro. So girl, take care of yourself, okay? Yeah, so where did I leave? Yeah, we were removing the cuticles. So we just remove the cuticles, the cuticle cutter. And guys, at this moment, if you compare that big toenail when I started working on it, and right now it looks so clean and better, even though I'm not yet done. Please don't drill it too much, and especially that when you're not used to using this equipment. But for me, I'm very cautious, and I've used this equipment for the longest time, and therefore I know how to deal with this. At the same time, if you hurt yourself, please make sure that maybe you take antibiotic or something, or just apply any medicine, because guys, infections around the nails are so bad. So that is how it looks like, so clean. I wish you can see this. So after the daddy toenail or the big toenail is done, I think that's the nail that carries a lot of cuticles and dirt for me, and the dead skin. For the others, they're just like they are there. So the big toenail and the baby toenail, those are the toenails that give me headache. Like, they just carry a lot of cuticles, dead skin, name it. So if I prolong the period for doing this, it becomes so difficult. Like, they look so bad. You can imagine that big toenail when it's not looking presentable, because I think the others, they're just small and not so conspicuous, but for it so you have to take care of it. So these equipment are not expensive. I think the cuticle pusher with 150 or 200, you can be able to get it. A nail cutter is 50 bob. A cuticle cutter is 50 bob. Cuticle gel, we have the prices ranges from 150 to 300 depending on the grams. The grams that you are buying. So I think these are things that are quite affordable, and you can be able to acquire them if you really want to take care of your nails, or if you're a DIY girl. But if you can be able to afford to go to the salon for pedicures each and every week, the better for you. That's so good for you. But if you cannot, please don't walk looking like your problems. Don't do that. So just make sure that you're taking care of your nails. Okay, yeah. And as you do these, please make sure that you subscribe, because why are you watching my videos and you're not subscribing? Please support a girl by subscribing, please, so that I can be motivated to do more and more videos. So after that, I'm wiping the dirt, because today I'm not soaking my legs. Like, I don't want to deal with water anywhere. So I'm just working on the nails and then using a cotton wool to just wipe the dirt. That is what I'm doing. Yeah. So I've done other videos on how to apply your gel polish, how to remove cuticles, how to take care of cracked heels, and everything pedicure and foot care and nail care and nail pedicure. So please check out my channel. I think I post like almost each and every day, if not so, like twice or thrice a week. I think I should be consistent and come up with ways, like specific days on which I'll be posting. Like, I don't just... So I was saying I should not post just randomly. Yeah. So I think one way in which you show love to yourself is by taking care of your body, because imagine wearing those open shoes and your nails are not looking good. Like, even your self-confidence is not, like, you're wondering, is someone looking at my toes? I think you might not be able to enjoy maybe even the outside wearing open shoes, not unless you're someone who loves wearing sneakers or maybe closed shoes. But at the end of it all, girl, you're going to remove those shoes, and it matters to you as a person, not to what the other people are saying or saying. So it's good for your own sanity and for yourself. So I've said this baby toenail always gives me a headache because it gets so much cuticles and dead skin. So it's always work to clean it. uh, I just wish it was not that hectic, but I'm managing. So at this point, the nails are clean, finishing up with the toenail, and I think right now it's looking good. Can you see that? So I thought the nails were so short, and therefore I thought there was no need to use a nail cutter. But at this point, I had some few things that I had to cut, like the nail, just to trim it a little bit. And then I have my buffer, smoothing the nails after working on them. So I'm alternating all these equipment, not in any order, because I think I need just to work on the nails perfectly. So I might not work in any order. So saying I might not work in any order, so I'm alternating them. So if you have come up to this point with my video, please, and you have not subscribed, can you take a moment please and subscribe? Support my channel by subscribing. Okay, yeah. So this was the before doing the nail care, removing the cuticles and all that, and this is the after. Can you see the difference? So super clean and looking good. So at this point now I want to apply a gel polish. I'm starting with the primer, then base coat, then the color, and I'll see whether I'm going to decorate. I'm learning how to do decoration and nail art, but on myself, because I don't want to disappoint anyone else. So I'm using this red color, like wow, I'm so excited about this color. By the way, I really love red, and then I decided to just do a nail art. I bought this nail art brush, and therefore I'm overusing it. Yes, I'm overusing it, and these was the results, guys. I'm so excited about these results and nail art. Can you see that? Then I moisturize the feet in general everywhere. So welcome back, and thank you for being here. Bye bye until my next video. Make sure that you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Support me by subscribing. Look at those nails looking super clean. Bye bye.